Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Come,
Morning,
come,
ma'am.
come inside.
Come,
What do you
here,
do
yeah, come
always?
here, yeah,
Yes,
please.
sit in a circle.
Sit in a circle.
Sit down.
Yes.
Who will
Yeah,
give her
hey,
some
come soon,
place?
yeah. Me. You sit next to me then. Yeah, my place. Please
Make a slightly bigger circle. Okay.
Go that side, ma'am.
Okay,
Go
ma'am.
Very good.
Okay.
Did you all have breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, it's been a while since we made the groups, right? So
Yes,
let's make
ma'am.
new groups, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Who will be in which group? We have discussed yesterday, correct?
Yes.
So on those lines, we made a group chart and put it there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Jasmine group. Lift your hands. Who is in the Jasmine group?
Me, ma'am.
Tanusha, Madhu,
And
Samarth, and
me,
Vihan. All of you sit on one side. Stand up now. Come this side. Okay? Now, Nandini, Pankaj, Bharat, and Hani. Come. Sit here. Madhu, take her. You all make a group on this side. Okay,
ma'am.
sit here.
Come.
Lotus group. Kirtana, Shreyas,
me.
Gagan, Amulya.
Ma'am,
Sit there.
Your Lotus group?
Now, who is left out?
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Which is your group?
I don't know. That
Don't
group,
know,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Rose group. Go, join them.
Okay, ma'am.
So, every group has a name, right? Each one in the group has a name. One is A, one is B, C, D, right? I'll give each one from each group. Pin it on yourself. Don't
ma'am.
hurt yourself. Put it on your dress.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You know how to pin.
I don't know.
It's like that only.
Put it on yourself. Who got A,
Six,
who
you
got
know.
B, you have to tell me,
I got
okay?
A.
Now,
What are
sit
you
in a
writing?
group, but spread out a little.
Okay, ma'am. Which one you got?
I will give
D.
in a group A
I got
has to do this work. When I say this, you should understand what to do. Okay?
Okay,
Sachin, do this. Madhu, do this. Nandini, do this. I will not say that. When I say A of each group, you should understand. Okay? Is it clear? Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Play and learn.
Do it.
Do and understand.
Play and learn.
Play and learn.
Do
Do it understand.
Now, in your group, who is there you know? All A's. Lift your hands. Quickly. All A's. Put your hands down. B. Clap. Only B's have to clap. C. Do namaskara. D. Lift your hand. D. Lift your hand. You have to tell her, okay? Very good, very good. Claps. Everybody. Now, leaders of the group, come to me one by one. Leader of each group, come to me. Keep this, I'll tell you what to do. Take this. Now, you took all those things, right? What do you have to do? These yellow cubes, you have to see how many you have to keep to make it equal to this, okay? I'll tell you later what this is called. Now, all A's, keep this in the middle. B's, keep the yellow cubes. After arranging them, C has to count.
Okay. My turn to count.
D has to watch if everybody is doing correctly, okay?
Tell ma'am now. I'll tell to ma'am now.
You're not doing it properly, man.
That's not yours. That's mine.
Yeah, I
If you
should
put
count
it in
down,
a
not
straight
you.
line, why
This
this
is like
like
this.
this?
Not
Are you
like
done?
that.
only doing
Very
that.
good. How many are there? Did you count? Count them.
counted.
See, you count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, ma'am.
Very good. This group has 10. Blue rod means 10. Do you have 10? Do you also have 10?
Yes,
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have 9.
9.
Count properly. Arrange
Ma'am,
properly.
We had counted properly, ma'am.
Yeah.
See, that one cube is
Now
outside.
count.
1, 2,
Yeah, you have 10, right?
10, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
What did we do? We arranged 10 yellow cubes and we got
One.
1
One
10.
One blue rod.
What is this called?
Blue
1.
rod. 1, 10.
This is a 10.
Okay, one.
10 is blue rod. Okay? What do we say?
110.
This is unit, 1 unit,
1 unit.
1 unit. This is 10 blue rod. You have learned to make a group of 10 in 3rd grade, right? What did you do? You made a bundle of 10, correct? Now, I will give you some more things. You have to tell me how many are there, okay? Who is the banker in your group? Lift your hand. Okay. I have to give you some change later. Keep your hands down now. Now, you have those, right? Totally, how many you have? You have to count and tell me. Give me the blue rods. Give the blue rod.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we
ma'am,
have
we
18.
Ma'am, we have 18.
18. You have 18.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
you have to give change to the banker of your group. If you give 10 yellow cubes, how many blue rods will the banker give you? Where are the bankers of the group? I'll give you these. Don't give extra, okay? Exchange these and see. Talk loudly. I can't hear otherwise. Huh? I have 10. I'll give you change. Give me a rod. Ask.
Not like this, yeah. I'll tell ma'am now.
Banker has to be careful. They may give you only 9. Count and
I
take.
should count down, not you.
You help him.
It's not
You
loving,
are
no,
only
it's
doing
ten.
it.
How many did you give? Shall we count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
How many are here? 23. I'll come to you also. I'll teach them and come to you. 23, right? Now arrange them near this blue rod.
My turn to count.
Let her do it. Others watch. Watch what she's doing. Count loudly.
Hey, you're not doing it properly, man.
That's not yours, that's mine.
Hey, I should
Put
count
it in
down,
a
not
straight
you.
line. Why this is
10.
This is not
Right?
loving,
You are
no,
only
it's
doing
10.
it, huh?
There are 10 here. We'll keep this that side. This is 10. How many are in this? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Did she count properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you arrange this and see how many are here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
10, right? That means pass the yellow cubes. We'll keep them aside. What happened here? 23, right? How many bundles of 10 did you make? 2. This is 110. This is 110. How many units are remaining?
3.
3 are remaining, right? This is called bundling of tens. Okay? When we make bundles of 10 out of 23, what is this? 110. 2 tens. 110, 210. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. 20, 21, 22, 23. 23, right? How do we place these on place value mat? I'll show you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, can you see? Okay. Where is the units place? Tens. Correct? Now, you place these and show me. How many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. We have 2 tens and 3 units. That is 23. 110, 2 tens and 3. 23. Okay? About this, I'll teach you some more in tomorrow's class. Okay? In our kit, we have only one such mat. Yeah, we have only one such mat. I have shown you this. I cannot give to all the groups. So, this is homework for you. Similarly, you have to prepare one on a paper. What is here? Units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Like this, you have to prepare a chart and bring. Okay? I'll give you chart paper when you're going home. One for each group. You have to make it neatly and bring, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You can draw the pictures also if you want, okay? You can do it however you like. I'll give you marks tomorrow. Now you can go home, okay? Good morning. Come. Very good. Everybody's looking fresh and nice. Sit in a circle. I'll look at the chart. Make a big circle. This is circle time. I'll tell you a story later.
It's circle time.
Oh, you made charts and brought. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Show me. Unit tens, hundreds, thousands. Very good. Keep it carefully. Did your group also make and bring? Very good. Very good. Very nice. Everybody did your homework?
Yes.
For the activity,
Jasmine.
Jasmine group.
Jasmine.
Very nice.
Yay.
Sunflower?
Jasmine.
Good.
Oh, saw that.
Lotus? Rose? Very nice. If you do your homework and come, you get stars here. If you sit neatly in the classroom also, you get stars, okay? Now, close all those charts. Keep them aside. Shall I tell you a story? Did you see a carnival? Did you attend a carnival in your village? What will be there in a carnival?
Playthings.
Food.
Yeah.
Food.
Playthings?
Toy shops.
Okay. Sweets.
Activities.
What else will be there?
Clothes shop.
We can take whatever we want. Yes, all that will be there right now. In our story, a group of children go to attend a carnival together. How many children could have gone? 12 children, let us say. Okay? All of them together went to the carnival in a bus. They go around, they eat snacks, they play. You didn't tell me about the merry-go-round. There will be merry-go-round, right? Yes, they are happy. When it is time to go home, the bus has left. They can't go home now. What to do? No, it is too far to walk and go. 10 kilometers, can't walk. That is why what they do is, Gagan says, my uncle's house is close by. In his house, there are many rooms. He has many rooms in his house. We'll ask him to give us some space. Okay? Shall we all go together and ask him? It is a very special street. All houses on that street are built like this for people to stay. It is a big temple, a very big carnival. That is why. So, if you all are going somewhere like that together, will you all walk together? What will you do? Some go fast, some walk slowly. Yeah?
One of us has to be in the middle.
Yes. So, 5 of them go fast. They reach there. They ask Gagan's uncle. They knock on the door. What will the uncle ask? When so many children come,
He will ask, why did you come here?
yes, he asks them, what happened? They say, we missed the bus. Can we stay in your house? They ask him. What will the uncle say? Will he allow? Yes, he will allow them. He knows Gagan. He says, you can stay, but this house has a speciality. There are 9 rooms in this house, tiny rooms. In each room, only one child can stay. Can you all stay alone? Are you scared?
No, ma'am.
Can you stay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay, then come inside. He says, how many children came here now? 5 children are here now. Can you see? Shall I draw a picture?
Yes.
ma'am.
How many rooms are here? 9 rooms are here. I'll draw it like a house.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ooh, such a big
How
house.
many children are here? 5
Five.
children came here.
5.
Who is here?
5
One is Gagan,
children.
then
Me, ma'am.
tell.
I'm there.
Me,
I'm
ma'am.
there. I'm there.
Madhu?
I'm there.
Ma'am, I am there.
All boys.
No, ma'am, I'm there.
Let there
ma'am.
be a
ma'am,
girl
I'm there.
also.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. I
ma'am.
had you.
Five children. 5 children reached here first.
Okay.
They will stay in this house. In each room, one child. How many rooms are there?
rooms.
9 rooms are there, right? One.
One,
1,
two, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Now, 4 more children are on the way. They are coming slowly. They will also come here. They know our friends are in one of these houses. They will come here and knock on the door. They ask the uncle, "We will also come in. Please give us place." Okay? Is there place?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Is there place for 4 children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
What does he say? This Gagan's uncle has a name. His name is Unit Uncle. Gagan calls him Unit Uncle. This is Unit Uncle's house. Shall we make them stay here? These 5 are already inside. Now, these 4 will go inside.
One,
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 count.
2, 3,
4.
4.
Now, all these children are inside. Now, one more will come and he'll say, "Why did you leave me and go? I will also come inside." But there is no place. What to do? What to do? Who will go outside?
We can share the room.
No, can't share the room. One room, one child. Tiny rooms. 2 cannot stay together.
We will build a new room, ma'am.
Can't build a new house? Smart kid. We can't build a new house. What he says is, there is no space for you in this house. All the rooms are full. But the next house is my brother's. He has a big house, big rooms. Go and ask him, he says. The boy goes to the next house and knocks on the door. I told you, this street is a very special street. How many rooms are in this house?
9.
9 rooms. He says, this uncle comes out and says, "I have a big house. 9 rooms are there, but the rooms are very big. How many of you are there?" How many are there? Only 1. The uncle says, "I will not give to one person. The rooms in our house are so big, 10 people have to stay in it. One person I will not give. Make a group of 10 and come together. I will give you place."
He will take these people there.
Ha, very good. He cannot go alone, so he'll go to this house and ask them, "They are not giving me place there. Please, all of you come with me." How many will they be together?
10.
10. They will be 10. Come, all of us will go to the next house together. Everybody will go to this house. What could be the name of this uncle? First uncle's name is Unit Uncle. What could be the name of this uncle?
Raju uncle.
Who will tell me? We have Unit Uncle. This uncle's name is 10 Uncle. 10 Uncle. 10. His pet name is 10. All these 10 children together came to 10 Uncle's house. We had done this in the problem earlier. You arranged these units and then you made a bundle of 10, right? The same thing you get to see here also, right? You put 10 together, put 10 units together and made a bundle, right? Similarly, here also, you put 10 children together in one room, right? How many in each room in this house? 10 children. Don't write. I'll tell you later to write, okay? Now, did everybody reach? How many went to the carnival? 12 children. Shall we leave the other 2?
No, ma'am. Take them this side.
Yes, they will also come now. They got delayed a little. They ate some snacks. Now they also will reach.
Unit uncle.
Do they have space in this
No,
house?
ma'am.
Why not?
Only 2.
They are only 2. How many should be in this house? 10 should be there, but they are not 10. So, they should go to Unit Uncle's house. Here 10 children are there and here 2 children are there. How many rooms are full here?
One room.
One room. In 10's house, one room is full. In Unit's house, how many rooms are full?
Two.
2. 1, right? Therefore, we write 12 like this. Okay? Now, you all understood the story, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, yesterday we made the place value mat, how to make a bundle of 10. Now we heard this story. Let us keep them on the mat now. These are yellow cubes, you know. This
Blue rod, ma'am.
blue rod means 10, 1 10. In the same way, a bundle of 10 blue rods makes 100. You know, we have seen that.
Yes, ma'am.
What do we call this? 100. You know that, correct?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is this?
What show is this?
We are
1 unit. What is this? 10.
10.
10 of these tens, if we put together,
100.
it will be
100.
10 of these tens. So what is it?
100.
It will be 100. Yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
On the
ma'am.
place value mat, this is units, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place.
100.
I have 4 yellow cubes,
4.
1 blue rod, and I'll keep this in the hundreds place. If you have to read this, how many hundreds do we have? 100, 110,
110.
and 4 units.
100.
114. Okay? I'll make you do this. I'll come there.
14.
Look here. 10 hundreds, it will be 1,000. Let us do that as well. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, all the leaders of the groups come here, one by one.
Yes,
I'll give these to you. You have to keep them and show me.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to
Yes,
place
ma'am.
them on the place value mat and show me. Okay?
ma'am.
Now, I gave you all these things. Place them on the place value mats
Okay,
I gave
ma'am.
you. Place them on the place value mats.
Can
The
you
Ds of the group. All the Ds,
Ma'am.
keep them on the place value mat.
Quickly. You also do know.
Did you keep them properly?
Yeah.
Now,
We kept it.
can you read this?
This is wrong.
Read and show me.
You know, you
Then,
cooked
yeah,
10
keep
in
it
one
that
side.
way.
How many hundreds are
Ma'am, I
there?
finished, ma'am.
Wait, I'll come to your group
Five,
also.
six,
You should also
and
come here.
400.
Yeah, join here.
Okay,
200.
This one.
Yes,
200.
ma'am.
Okay.
Let's see, come, that's it.
200.
Ma'am,
I'll come, wait.
242, ma'am.
1 unit, 2 units, 3 units.
Three,
Count.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
6. So totally what is the number?
Plus,
No.
6.
Read this number.
200
Hmm.
is 200.
Count once again. How many hundreds?
Five.
200.
Is it rupees?
200.
It is a number. 246 is the number. Very good. Did you all keep properly? How much did you get?
Ma'am,
You all counted properly, right? Did you also keep?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
We also got. We also
Very
got,
good. Now, leader of the
got
fourth
correct,
group,
okay.
come here.
Even
Yes,
we
ma'am.
got
Who is the leader of the fourth group?
Nanu.
Rose group, come.
Nanu.
Put a star for the activity. Go. Everybody has done very well. Claps. Now, keep the TLMs aside. I'll give you something else.
Okay.
Keep the place value mat with you. You arranged 246 now. We will see how to do it with something else. Okay? Sachin, what did you say? 246 rupees. Now we have rupees also. I will give you. Now, leaders of each group, come here. I'll give you some. I
None,
don't know
ma'am.
how much.
Me, ma'am.
Me.
Only the leaders must come.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Take this. Now, I gave you the money, right? 246. Arrange it on the place value mat. Yeah, keep it with you. Now, you may have more money also. If you have more, keep it aside. You have to arrange only 246.
200.
Done? The excess money, please give it to the banker.
241.
You have to count and arrange. 246. Are you done? Very good.
You take your dress, yeah.
I'll keep the hundreds, you keep the tens.
Now, banker, banker, come here.
Ma'am, we have 1 cube shortage.
I'll give you
ma'am.
change for 10 rupees. Come.
Oh, I have to give change.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, take ma'am.
This is extra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sit down. I'll
So
come.
much fun.
Is it right? Show me. How is it 246? Show me.
That's not a proper
200. You have to say it.
Hundreds place. You should keep the 100
No,
notes at
I
100
get
place.
properly.
No,
You are
that group
telling
took
wrong.
off. Why you
Oh,
let
sorry,
them
I'm
take-
mistaken.
Very good. You gave me 10 rupees, right? You're okay with less?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, you have 10. Okay, go sit down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
246. Very good.
246.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I got it correctly first
Hey,
time
stop
only.
pulling my leg.
Show
down.
me. Did you keep it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you sitting?
You should count. 1, 10.
2, 4, and then I put 6 here. So 2, 4, and 6. I
Hundred.
put
How many are in the hundreds place?
2.
We did
Ma'am,
correctly,
two.
I
Two.
think.
In tens place?
Four,
Four.
ma'am.
Six
Four.
is
In
there.
units place?
Six, ma'am.
Very good. If you don't sit properly, you will lose marks.
Oh.
Is it
Just
properly
follow
done?
what I tell you.
Sit
Is it
Okay.
properly?
I'm
How much is
sitting
it?
one
Show
on-
me. Very good.
246.
Now, you arranged 246, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing. How to place it in the unit uncle's house and tens uncle's house? Let us
Okay,
see.
ma'am.
I'll do it quickly and show you. You have to help me, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you tell me whose house this is? Whose
Ma'am,
house
ma'am,
is this?
100,
100.
100, ma'am.
Hundreds,
100.
ma'am.
100 uncle's house. Now, how many did you keep in the units place?
6.
Six.
You kept 6, right? Now see properly. If you can't see, come sit here.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you can't
Yes,
see, sit
yes,
there. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many are in the units place?
Six, ma'am.
Repeat after me. 1,
2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
This you can write anywhere. You need not write in a same row. In this house, you can write anywhere. Okay, all the 6 are written here. You can leave whichever empty. Now in tens place in one room, how many?
Four.
4.
One,
tens,
one,
10 uncle's house. In one room,
Oh, 10.
10 people can
10.
stay.
Ma'am.
Can 5 people stay?
Uh-huh.
No, ma'am.
No, right? 2 people?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can it be empty?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Could be. Yes. If there is nobody, how much?
0.
0. If there is nobody, 0. It could be 0 or it should be 10. Can there be 12?
No,
No,
ma'am.
right? Now, how many tens do you have?
4.
4 tens you have. 1 10,
1,
2, 10, 2, 10, 3,
Three
10,
tens.
4
Four
10.
tens.
Shall I write?
No,
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
enough. How many hundreds do you have?
Ma'am, 2.
2, ma'am.
Now, similarly, like in 10 uncle's house, in 100 uncle's house, how many rooms are there? 9 rooms are there.
Nine.
In
Nine.
9 rooms, in every room, how many can stay?
100.
Only 100. 0 or 100. We proceed like this. 4th graders, you will learn 4-digit numbers. Thousands house will come. House and uncle's house also will have 9 rooms. Every room 1,000 people can stay. After that, how many fifth graders are here?
ma'am.
You will learn
Ma'am,
5-digit
ma'am,
numbers.
Me,
Put your
me.
hands down. For 5 digits, after 1,000, 10,000 you'll have. I'll teach you that later.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
that also, there will be
ma'am.
9 rooms.
Okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
How many are there in 100 uncle's house? Will you tell me? Shall we write?
200.
We have to write 100.
200.
Now, if we have to write it as 246, how shall we write? How many hundreds do we have?
2.
Two, ma'am.
100,
Two.
200.
Two,
Let's
ma'am.
write it as 2.
1, 2.
In 10 uncle's house, how many rooms are full?
4.
Four.
6.
6. 6 rooms are full. 246. So when you make place value table, this is units, tens, hundreds. We don't need thousands now. In hundreds place 2,
2.
tens
four,
place 4,
six.
units place 6,
246.
right? 246. This is how we have to write.
Yes,
Did
Yes,
you understand?
ma'am.
Write the same thing in your notebooks also. Firstly, I will show you how to make these houses, okay? What you have to do is, don't write all this now. Just draw the 9 rooms. Make a group of it. In your square line notebook, you have to make a house with 9 rooms. Mark it with a pencil all around it. Draw with a pencil. After that, draw the lines inside to mark the rooms. Can you do it or should I show it? Shall I show it? Now, your book has lines like this, right? Yes? What you have to do is, observe this. In the square-lined notebooks, these boxes are already there. So you need not draw the boxes. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 this way and 3 here. Leave a line on top.
Shall I do in pen?
Yes, write in the pen. 5th graders, write with pen. Now, we have unit uncle's house. In the same way, you have to make hundreds place. Are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am, we are doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see.
See, ma'am, I finished.
Ah, look at his
Ma'am,
work.
ma'am,
Show, ma'am.
finished, ma'am.
Show, ma'am.
Look. What did you do? What did we discuss? That unit uncle's house has? How many rooms are there in unit uncle's house? 9 rooms, right? How many are here? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rooms here. That is not correct. We have to draw 9 rooms. Here it is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, he made 12 rooms, right? But that's not correct. You have to make 3 by 3
Ma'am, I
rooms.
did, ma'am.
3
I
on one
did.
side
My
and
book
3
now,
on
I'll
one
show,
side.
Ma'am, he
Look
do
at
all
this.
wrong,
What
ma'am.
did he do? He left space here. You need not leave the space. They should be drawn next to each other. You should not leave space. Will you do it
Okay,
again?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I will come to each of you. Do it again. Do it once more.
Ma'am, next me, ma'am.
Ma'am, even I
Next me.
finished,
Now you understood how to do it? Did you all do it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't write anything. Just draw the rooms. Hey, he did correctly. Very good. 9, 9, 9. Correct. Did you
Thank you, ma'am.
complete?
Also done, ma'am.
Now,
Hey,
each
check
group,
mine, is it correct?
please check if your group has done
We
it
have done one
properly.
extra.
Okay?
See,
Did
one
everybody
line
complete?
extra.
Very good.
Hey, ma'am,
Some of you, you know what they do? In tens place, they write 1. Is it right?
No, ma'am.
In tens place, you have to write 10. In
Hundred.
hundreds place, you have to write 100. Okay? Did everybody complete?
Yes, ma'am. See, ma'am. See,
Claps.
ma'am.
All of you have play money, right? And base 10 blocks also?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will give you a number. You have to arrange it with base 10 block and show me. And then, in your notebooks, we call this as the representational stage. Tens
Okay,
house, you have to
ma'am.
write and show me. Whichever group completes first will get claps. Are you ready?
Okay,
You should do it
ma'am.
fast. 30. Arrange 30. Let's see,
30.
everyone arrange 30.
How to keep 30, yeah?
Arrange
How?
30
See, like
with
this,
base
ah,
10
like
block.
this, like this. See, she's
After
showing,
that,
she's showing.
after you finish arranging, you have to write it in your book
Okay.
like this. How will you write? Show me.
How to do? I don't
With base 10 block using
Yeah.
know. I'm
blue
writing like this
rods.
only.
which is
Like
base
this,
10
ma'am.
block.
Writing, ma'am, see,
Yes.
like this.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Arrange it. After that,
Done. Show, bro.
Make
what did you write?
units and tens
That's
places.
wrong.
Oh.
Will you write? Yes.
Ma'am, like this, ma'am.
Not such a big house like we did on the board.
Ma'am,
That's-
finish.
You have to do it?
ma'am.
Show me yours.
Ma'am.
Hey, don't copy from
Don't
the
Like
book.
this.
copy, yeah.
Yeah, do it like this. Houses
don't
of
look at
9
me.
rooms each.
Don't. I'm writing
Yes,
all
ma'am.
wrong.
No, do it with your hand.
See, this is extra.
This
yeah.
is not
Don't write
correct.
it like this.
You have to make
Write
it
a
with
little
3
less.
by
Got
3.
that. Understood,
Sana,
ma'am.
what did you write?
Very good.
I wrote.
Ma'am.
What you
Very
wrote?
good.
Ma'am,
Write
ma'am,
units,
ma'am,
tens,
ma'am,
hundreds.
ma'am, ma'am.
Claps.
Oh.
Excellent. Very good.
Jasmine.
One more star for Jasmine group for
Yay.
finishing first.
Yay, Jasmine.
Now,
Oh,
let's
wow,
do
that-
another problem. Keep everything back.
Okay, ma'am.
505 with
Why
base 10
not?
blocks.
How to put, yeah?
505.
We have to beat that.
Arrange it and show me.
See, I did, I did, see, I did, I did, I did.
You have only 4.
How you put?
500,
Show,
500.
not like that, yeah. Then how
What
is-
shall we
how-
do?
See, like this, like this. But you gave only so many, no? How
Ma'am, it's not.
What other
giving me
toy do you
space, ma'am.
have?
He wants to keep it, seems, ma'am.
Hey, some,
You have play money?
ma'am is telling us.
Okay. Remove base 10 block and use play money.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it's there.
Yes, Miss
Okay.
It's
ma'am.
there. I've already arranged.
See? You have only
Yes,
4, right?
Oh.
Keep this aside.
have to beat that group.
Use play money.
5
Okay,
ones
ma'am.
here,
ma'am.
If you have enough,
then 5 in the
Ma'am,
unit.
arrange
place
them.
To make 5,
Correct,
not 5.
correct.
Correct. No.
Correct, yes.
Yeah, correct.
Very good.
Told you
This
that
is
time.
wrong, yeah.
Now, write it in your
Ah,
book.
Writing.
So take this green plate.
Give.
Give a
Take
scale.
green.
How should you write? Units, tens, hundreds, 3 houses you have to make. Like this, 3 houses.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Make a
Yeah.
house.
Write it in your
with
book.
three
Wait,
The
I've already
representational
wrote it now.
stage.
5,
No, not
5.
such big
Ma'am,
rooms.
like this.
I did it.
Only 9 rooms each.
Ma'am,
Very good. This is how you should draw. Will you teach them also?
You've done a little extra there.
Okay.
Here,
I'll give me this. and
which number did I give you? 505. Arrange it with play money only. Don't use base 10 blocks. Do you have 1 rupee notes? Arrange them. You check if she's keeping properly.
now- Yes, ma'am.
505, how many units are there?
5.
5. You see if
no,
she's
no.
keeping it properly?
Thank you.
No.
5.
Five
Yes.
is there, ma'am.
Arrange them properly. How many tens are there? How many tens?
Zero. Ma'am, zero, ma'am.
Zero.
Zero.
No tens, right?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
In
there's
hundreds
nothing.
place, how many are there?
5.
5.
5, ma'am.
5, ma'am.
505. Everybody look here once.
5, ma'am.
What did he do?
What has he done, ma'am?
How many units are there?
5.
5.
5, ma'am.
He wrote properly. In tens
Ma'am,
place,
he
how many are
finished.
there? 0.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
finished.
zero.
But you wrote it in tens place.
5.
Ma'am.
Where should you have shown it?
In
Here,
here,
ma'am.
I have to write it.
These hundreds, you should have written in hundreds place. In tens place,
1, 2, 3, 4.
it is empty.
Finished, ma'am.
Will you redo it
Yes,
again
yes, ma'am.
correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Claps everybody for this group. Now, this has to be written on the board. Who will come? Come.
Me, ma'am. Welcome.
Whether he is
My
writing
chance.
properly or not, you all should say 505.
5, not 5.
Ma'am, 5,
Take.
not 5.
No, The houses are already
Wait,
drawn
what?
there.
See what
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
right inside them.
See if he's doing wrong.
Count
or
and
no.
write.
Come on, let's see.
100,
200.
300,
Write a little bigger.
500.
500.
500. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wrong.
How many tens is he writing?
Wrong, ma'am.
505 has how many tens?
I know.
505. How many tens? You tell me.
I'll tell Miss. Ma'am,
How many
my
tens?
chance.
Ma'am,
Zero.
there is nothing.
How many tens should be there in 505?
In 505, it is 0.
Check how many tens are there in tens place.
In
No,
505,
there are
it is
no
zero
tens.
Zero tens. Zero tens, ma'am.
Did you understand, all of you?
You wrote wrong.
Did you understand why?
Yes,
Ma'am, that
What is
also
zero?
wrong.
No, you will write wrong.
0 means nothing. Now, wait. Sachin, you also come.
Okay,
Sachin,
ma'am.
go. Sachin, go.
Okay, you go. Sachin, come. How many rooms are full in hundreds place?
Five.
Right here.
Five.
Count and tell.
5.
How many rooms are full in tens place?
Zero.
Very good. In units place?
5.
You did not write 5. Write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Look at this now. Look at this.
Is this correct? Did he write
Correct, ma'am.
properly? Claps for him. You come here, dear. I'll give you a star. Go sit. Now, you have to write this in the place value table.
He fell down.
Units,
Sachin fell down.
tens, hundreds. Write fast.
Okay, ma'am. 5.
0.
0.
5.
5.
Did she write correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Very good. Clap. Everybody keep the play money inside. I'll give you one more problem. You have to do it
Okay,
quickly.
ma'am.
1325. 1325. Which playthings will you use?
Ma'am.
1000.
Based in block or play money? Based in blocks. Show me. 1325.
See, ma'am.
Quickly. Take, man.
1325.
25.
How to write this?
Did you arrange it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
One of this,
You have to write units tens here.
and then I will put this.
Check
and
again.
You put 300.
You have to write it in the book.
You put one
Okay?
extra.
No,
Take
no,
that
this is
out.
not extra.
Right.
So if
Did
I
you
put
write it?
one Here,
Show me.
then
That's
I
right,
should
you're right.
put.
You're doing
Did you
wrong,
write
yeah.
1000? Very good.
Correct, she taught me.
Claps, claps for them.
You put in one extra block. No.
2 of you have done it. So who will get a star? Who did first?
Me, ma'am.
Which group is yours? Sunflower gets a star and Lotus also gets a star.
Lotus, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, very good. Now I'll give you one more problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep everything aside.
Okay, take this,
No, that is required. Keep that.
Yeah,
Give,
give.
Ma'am,
Play
give
money
me
and based and block. Keep them aside. Remove
ma'am.
everything from place value mat for the new problem. Okay? Now 22,120 you have to arrange. How will you arrange? Let us see. 22,000.
Number, ma'am.
120.
24,000.
Okay,
We have to write it.
22,000.
You have to write. Show what you wrote.
120. 22,120. 22,120. Are you able to place them?
Yes, sir.
No,
You have to tell me if you can't. Yes? First, place the units. Let us see. How many should we keep in the units place?
How to write this one?
How many?
Ma'am.
How many are there in units place?
Zero.
One, ma'am.
Nothing. You have to tell loudly.
Zero.
Nothing is there in units place. How many in tens place?
Two.
In hundreds place?
Ma'am, we can't do it, ma'am.
Can't do it. Why? You have less.
Yes, ma'am.
What is less? We don't have 10,000s place in our place value
Yeah,
mat. We
ma'am.
don't have it in
Yes,
our
yes,
we don't
mat.
have
Ma'am,
Zero.
like this, ma'am.
Yes,
See, ma'am.
you did it there, but you
Ma'am.
can't do it here. I'll show you how to do it now.
Okay, ma'am.
We have here abacus.
What is
We
that,
have.
ma'am?
Have you seen it? Everybody
No,
look
ma'am.
here. What is this?
1.
Units. Tens place.
Tens.
Hundred.
Thousands.
10,000s place. In your base 10 block, these are the units. Which color are these? Yellow. These cubes are yellow. Is this also yellow?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What is this?
Blue.
10. Blue color. This is also blue. What is this?
Green.
Green. 100. This is also
Hundred.
green. What is this?
1,000.
1,000. In red. This is also red. This is 10,000. In your base 10 block,
10,000.
you have only 1,000. In your play money also, what is the highest number? 1,000. Only 1,000 you have in your play money. Do you have a 10,000 note? No. Therefore, 5th graders have to learn 5-digit numbers. So, we are using this TLM. What is this called? Abacus. For that, we have some rings here, colorful rings. I'll pour some here. Yes, we should place them on this. For white, how many? For units? Yellow. Shall we keep for this number?
Yes, ma'am.
How many units are there? 0 units.
Ones.
From the first group, B of first group. Come here. Vihan,
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
see how many are there in tens place? 10th place. How many?
2.
2. 2 tens. Is he placing correctly? Yeah, place 2 and go. Now see from this group. Come here, Vaishnavi.
Go.
How many in the hundreds place?
Ma'am.
Look there. You have to say loudly. In hundreds place. This is units, tens. This is hundreds place. How many?
1, ma'am.
1. Keep 1. Which color?
Green.
Very good. Yes,
Ma'am, me,
you
ma'am.
come. Now, which place should we keep? Thousands place.
Thousands.
Place them.
2, ma'am.
They should all see you. You're the teacher now.
1.
Did she
2.
keep properly? Very
Ma'am,
good.
ma'am,
Claps.
ma'am,
I'll call from this group now. I'll call you later.
Okay, ma'am.
You come. Which one should you place now?
Ma'am, 10,000.
10,000 place. Say loudly. Can you hear? How many should you keep?
Ma'am,
2.
2, ma'am.
Now, can you read this? Can you read this number?
Yes, ma'am. 10,000.
This is 10,000 place. 10,000, 20,000. This one?
20,000. 1,000.
1,000.
2,000.
Say loudly. Say loudly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you all hear
No,
him?
ma'am.
You have to say loudly.
No, ma'am.
22,000.
Huh. So how much is it? 22,000.
120.
Here there's nothing. 120. Very good. Claps. Did you all understand? Now, in our kit, we have only one like this. Only one. So, Last year's children, what they did, they made them at home and brought. They did it like this. See? They made it like this and got it from home.
Okay, ma'am.
Wow.
Then you can use it here in the
It's
class.
more-
Yeah, they used old pencil, they made the rings, and they brought it here. This will be your homework. You need not bring it tomorrow only. You can take 2 days and then you can make it. Take the help of your parents.
Okay, ma'am.
We have that and this, only 2 in the class. So you'll make one for each group and bring. Now, keep everything aside. Your play money and base 10 block, keep them aside. We have to solve problems from the textbook now. I'll give you the textbooks. One textbook to each group. Yes, pass one textbook to each group. 4th graders, I have textbooks here. For each group, which group is yours?
Ma'am, for me, ma'am.
You share with them.
We have both 4th and 5th graders, right?
Fourth standard. I'm in fourth standard.
Each group keep one book from 4th grade also. Which problems to solve from the textbook? I'll tell you. You have workbooks at home, right? From that workbook, I will give you homework. You have to do it and bring it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
4th graders in their textbook have 5,926. 5th graders 32,894. You have to place it on this. Write it in your notebook. and show me, okay? Are you keeping it?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you're putting how much?
You can't place 10,000 here, right? I'll give you a
Okay, ma'am.
abacus.
Okay.
Now everybody write down your homework. Take down the homework
Okay, ma'am.
from the workbook.
Give me.
Write the homework. Hey, you give me write
All the problems from the first part of the workbook. You have to do all the problems from the first part of the book. I'll check it tomorrow, okay?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Good morning. Did you all complete your homework?
Yes,
I will check later, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we play a game now?
Yes,
Now?
ma'am.
You know the concept of place value, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Units is 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 9 is units. After that, what is in tens place? 10, 20, 30, all that. Okay. In hundreds place, what will be there? 100, 200.
200, 300.
Very good. In 1000s place?
1,000,
2,000,
3,000.
Very good. Correct. Now, in 25, how many units are there and how many tens?
2 tens, 5 ones.
In 25, how many units and how many tens? 5 units and 2 tens.
5 units.
Correct.
2 tens.
Let's do a test now. In the game,
Okay, ma'am.
this is 1 unit.
Like this.
This one. If you snap once, it's 1.
1.
2 units.
2.
I'll give you a number. 3.
1,
Show me.
3.
Now, if I simply give you a number, you can't start at different times. I will say 3, start. Wait, I didn't say it. This is a trial. 4, start.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Enough. You have to stop at 4. Okay? This is for units. 10.
10.
Only one. 10. This is 10. 20, start. Understood? You shouldn't clap more. If you count more, I'll give you some work. You have to jump, you have to play. Okay? I'll give you something.
Out if you do too much.
Now,
What if we do too much?
shall we start? Only units and tens to begin with. If you start before I say start, you're out. Ready? Ready?
Okay.
Did you understand what to do?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we'll do.
This is 10. This is units. Okay? Are you ready?
Okay, ma'am.
32, start. Everybody is out. How many tens in 30?
Mine is wrong. Mine is wrong.
3. 1, 2, 3.
You also did wrong.
How many units?
I did it
Only
correctly.
2.
I did it
You have to
correctly.
observe.
How much is
Pay
this?
attention.
It says
Everybody did not do. They did not stop. Come back again. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
are you paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
41, start.
1, 2,
3, 4, 1.
Very good, very good. Units, tens, hundreds. If you do this, it's 100. Ready?
Yay.
1, 2, 3. Ready? 123, start.
Woo.
Why did you do twice?
I confused.
You should not do twice, only once. And you have to do it fast.
Yes, ma'am. I also got confused.
I'll be looking at everybody and I'll help
Yes, ma'am.
if anyone needs it.
Hmm.
Wait,
Oh, you
wait.
correct.
Me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
134, start. You did only twice. You have to do thrice. Okay? What happened? We'll do it again. Ready? 512. Start.
12.
Oh, I did wrong.
512.
Wrong.
In 512, how many tens are there?
One.
One.
Only one.
One.
Correct?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can't clap 12 times. 110 and 2.
Like
Two
this.
One.
Yeah. Yes.
Understood now? Shall we
Yes,
do it
yes,
again?
ma'am.
Or are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
getting bored?
No,
This game is fun,
It's
right?
fun, ma'am.
It'll make you understand place value clearly. 322, start. Very good. One more, last.
Correct.
You should also do
Yes.
430, start. Why?
Snap, you
In
are
430,
out.
how
Yes,
many
ma'am,
units are
you
there?
out. I did.
How many
correctly.
units?
I did correctly.
0. Then why did you snap your
No,
fingers?
zero,
You should not do
have it.
anything for 0. 20.
Okay, ma'am.
You got
Start.
it wrong.
That's all.
Oh.
500. 500. For 100, it is this. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Hey.
anytime if I'm not here or other teachers are not there, y'all can play these
Yes,
games,
ma'am.
right?
Ma'am.
Anyone can be a leader
Yes,
and make
ma'am.
everybody play this game.
Yes, ma'am.
Will anyone make us play this game now? Come, you're the leader. He's the leader. I will also play with you. Will you stand in the middle? Okay.
Ma'am, I'll stand
Ready?
here.
Sagar, you're
If there
the
is a
leader.
mistake, you have to say.
Yes.
You should know.
2,500.
You didn't say what is for 1,000. Just give 3-digit number.
335.
You did more. You have to say start. Otherwise, they'll start early. Give another number.
Very different number.
295.
Oh,
10 times.
295.
Oh, look, she was counting correctly.
You
If
did
anybody does a
wrong.
mistake, we have to find
Yeah,
out.
you did
Okay?
wrong, ma'am.
Next. Anyone else can also take a chance and do it. Let's do it tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay,
Claps.
ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yay!
Go back, sit in your own groups.
Hey, come here, my group.
Who will
Go.
sit first? Let's see.
Come there,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
There's space
Sit in
here.
your
Come on.
groups.
Come,
That's nice,
Zaina, come on.
Now you played the game, right? What was the game about? What was it? Tell me.
Place
Sit down. Sit and
value.
tell.
Ma'am, place value.
It's about place value.
Ma'am.
What you have to do for which place you have to understand
Yes, ma'am.
correctly.
We understood,
100 is this. Tens is
Okay,
claps. Yeah? You understood? Now, in the same way, we'll do one more activity. What is this number?
is she writing?
628.
Say loudly.
628.
In 628, how many units, how many tens, and how many hundreds can you make out?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
How can you make out? Will you tell me?
Yes.
Only the one I asked.
Eight.
A from this group. Tell me.
8,
6 tens.
6 tens.
This is 6 tens. 2 units. So what is this?
Wrong.
Sachin?
Wrong.
You tell me.
Miss,
Ma'am.
it's
600. 2
600.
tens and 8 ones.
2.
Very good. Everybody clap. Sachin. Six hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 units. Let's do this again using colors. We have used earlier also, right? For units, which color?
Ma'am, yellow.
For units,
Yellow.
yellow color. For tens, blue. For hundreds, green. Green was there. In the same way, we will place them now. In 628,
6, ma'am. 6, ma'am.
how many hundreds? How many tens?
5.
You tell me.
2. Hey,
2 tens are there. How many units?
tens is 2, no?
Is this 628,
Yes,
correct?
Ma'am. And 8
In this, how many hundreds are there? 600.
6.
20 we have
2
and
tens.
8 we have.
1, 8.
This 628, 628,
You have to
6 hundreds.
600.
I will expand and write
Plus
20
20
plus 8.
plus
8.
8. We can write like this also.
Yes, ma'am.
In 600s, there are 6 hundreds. 6 green plates. Sachin, attention here. 600,
6 into
600.
100.
we write like this.
2, ma'am.
How many tens?
2.
In 20, how many tens? Tanusha, look here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
2 tens. In 20, there are 2 tens. You have to tell her later again, okay? 2 into 10. How many units are there? 8 units. This is how we write it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We write it expanded like this. This is called expanded form of numbers. You know it, right? 4-digit numbers also can be written like this, okay? Did you understand? Now, 4-digit numbers. Let's do 4-digit numbers. 4th graders have 4-digit numbers. So let's practice that. 5th graders anyway know this. You learnt it last year, so it will be easy for you to do. 2543. Yes? I'll give each group. First group, please come here.
Ma'am,
2000.
Jasmine group. D from each group. Come. You have to arrange these and show me. No, first you arrange it and then write it in the book and show me. 2543.
You write in book.
Yeah,
I will
so.
arrange.
Okay, fine.
Claps, claps. They finished first.
2000.
Did everybody write in the book? Everybody wrote, right? Very good. Good.
Ma'am,
We got
finished.
correct,
Good, good.
Yay.
Ma'am.
Rose team. D from Rose
We,
team.
ma'am.
Come here. See the number. Pick up what is required and place them. See and place them. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Pick from here. Everybody will get a chance. If not today, tomorrow. Okay? We have to solve a lot of problems, right? So everybody will get a chance. You have placed this in the expanded form. Place them one on top of the other.
yes, ma'am.
In a number, how many places will be there? Units, tens, hundreds,
one,
thousands.
tens,
In 4-digit
hundreds,
numbers,
thousands.
1000 also will be there. So here, thousands. Then what else? Hundreds. Then what else? Tens place.
Tens.
Do we have tens place here?
Yes.
And then?
One.
But where are the units here?
The
Not
units.
there, ma'am.
Units
What is the color of
zero.
units, did we say?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Even if the units are not there, even if it is 0, we have to show it. We have to show the
Okay,
units
ma'am.
place. So, we have to keep it here even if it is 0. Did you understand? Who will expand this and write? You didn't get a chance, right? Come. Come. Write this number here, expand it and write.
Ma'am.
I'll write, ma'am.
How many thousands are here? If he makes a mistake, you all have to say.
2000, ma'am.
How many thousands here? Right. That is 200. What should you do?
2000.
Is he writing correctly?
2 into 1000.
What must he write?
3 into
300
3 into 100.
Is that enough? You have to write the 0 also.
plus 0.
Okay. Very good. Claps. Next. What else should we write here? In your notebooks. In your notebooks, please write this. I'll come and see.
Okay, ma'am.
Plus?
0 into 1, no?
0.
What happens when you multiply 0 with 1?
Zero.
It will be 0. What is this? What is this? Tell me. Dice.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ludo.
Ludo.
No, it's not Ludo. These are dice. What does yellow show? Units. Blue? Tens. For hundreds?
Green.
Green, ma'am.
Green color. For thousands?
Red.
Ma'am.
Red. What is this?
10,000.
color.
This is 10,000.
10,000 is white.
You like abacus color only, no?
Yeah,
Last year's children prepared this. Now they are in the 6th grade. They prepared this. I'll roll the dice and call one of you. Which is the third group?
Me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
me, ma'am, me,
ma'am,
me.
Lotus group.
Ma'am, Lotus
Okay.
team is us.
I don't know whom I'm going to call. I'm putting them. B from the third group. Please come.
That's you only, no?
Yes,
Go,
ma'am.
Come.
Go.
Everybody observe him. Sit
He's
down.
only getting chance from that time.
Okay.
Keep all the yellows
Yes,
together.
okay.
1,
Is everyone watching?
2.
Come. You come
Sagar, I
this side
can't
and
hear
sit
you.
next to me.
Ma'am,
After this,
ma'am, tens.
after yellow,
Blue.
10.
what is after
Blue, ma'am.
units? Tens. Blue.
Green.
And then,
Ma'am, red.
where will you keep them?
Ma'am, white.
Keep them facing the children. How many units are here?
2.
How many tens are there?
2. 4.
You have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Nine.
9. See the dots in this? He is counting the dots. Okay? Now, I want C of sunflower group. Who is it? Bharat,
Me.
come here. Go to the board and write what we tell you
Okay,
to.
ma'am.
Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. First make the table.
Yes.
You have to count and tell him to write, okay? You have to count how much is there, okay? You write like this. Now?
1,000. Yes.
He will tell you what to write in units and you have to write.
Okay.
How many units are there? Tell him.
10,000.
2 units.
All 5.
Everybody
2.
has to observe if he is writing correctly.
Yes, ma'am. 2,
How many tens?
9.
9
9,
tens. That's how you have to tell.
9 tens.
How many hundreds?
7,
700.
And then
8.
8,000.
5 10,000s. 5 50,000.
very good.
Hey, 10,000s, yeah.
Dear, will you read that number? You read from there. Can you see? This is 10,000s. How many 10,000s? 5 10,000s.
5.
5 10,000s is 50,000.
Yes, ma'am.
8,000.
How many thousands?
I'll tell.
Who will read the whole number?
58,792.
Very good. Claps. Sit down. Is this correct? Now, who will write this in the expanded form?
Ma'am, me.
My
Write
chance,
this
ma'am.
in the expanded form. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You go and sit in your place. Everybody has to watch if he's writing correctly. Is he writing correctly? Good.
8,000 plus 700.
Big numbers. We have a system of putting comma. I'll show you once now and then we can practice it later. Okay? Now, units, tens, hundreds. We place a comma after that. 58,792. We can see it here. I'll make you practice this later. Is the game nice? Did you like it? You know what you can do using these dice? These are helpful to solve the problems of additions and subtractions also. I'll give you dice and some problems and you can do it later. Okay? I'll give you practice problems tomorrow. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Now sit back in your places again. I'll keep a number here now. You have to read and tell me what number it is. Okay?
3,456.
3,456. Units, tens, hundreds and thousands I will write. Where should I write units? This is tens. Where should I write hundreds? This is thousands. You know how to expand this and write,
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
There is another side to this. Not just expanding and writing, but look at this 4, 5, 6. There is something very special about this. Place value and face value. What does face mean? Whatever you can see, that is face value. 6. If I say 6, it means 6. What is 5? It looks like 5. What is the face value of 4? 4. What is the face value of 3? 3. Whatever you can see here, that is its face value. If we take 5, the face value of 5 is 5. But which place is the 5 here? It is in tens place. So its place value is 5 becomes 50. 5 tens are here, so therefore it becomes the place value of 5 is how much? 50. Now, can you tell me the place value of 4 here? What is the place value of 4? Tell me.
Ma'am, me.
The place value of 4.
400,
Okay,
ma'am.
The place value of 4 is 400. Now quickly, whoever I ask the question, they should tell me, okay? What is the face value of 3? Just tell me what you see. 3. Is it clear? Face value means what you see. Now, who can explain place value?
3,000.
Did you understand why? Place
Three-
value of 3 is 3000. Any questions? Who didn't understand? Madhu, you didn't understand?
I didn't understand.
Come here. I'll explain it to you. Everybody listen when I'm explaining to Madhu.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the face value of 4? 4.
4.
The face value of 3 is 3. But see in which place it is. It is in hundreds place. Accordingly,
Okay, ma'am.
the value will change.
400.
Which place is 4 in? It is in hundreds place. So it is 400. And the place value
400.
of 3 is? I asked the place value of 3. What is it?
Oh,
3000.
1000.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
3000.
clear?
Yes,
Very good. Go and sit down. Now
Yes,
everybody
ma'am.
understood, right?
Yes.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Cleared, ma'am.
I'll give you
Clear,
one
ma'am.
more
Okay,
problem.
ma'am. Okay,
Which place is this?
ma'am.
1.
Units, tens,
Hundreds,
hundreds,
thousands.
thousands. Units,
Unit,
Units,
tens,
tens,
hundreds,
thousands.
thousands.
We have to arrange this now. Who will try? Who didn't try till now?
Can I
Come,
come, ma'am?
come,
Can
you
I,
come.
ma'am? Please, ma'am.
I'll come.
You have to
Okay, ma'am.
arrange the first number. Okay? Who will try from this group now? You want to try? Come.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
even I
you already
didn't
had your
come.
chance.
Didn't come,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
even
Come.
I will
Come
get a
this
chance,
time.
ma'am.
Okay,
Arrange
ma'am.
the second number.
Mm.
What should you do if there is 0 in hundreds place? There is 1 with 3 zeros. You have to place that, which means there is nothing in hundreds place.
Woman, I can't see.
Did they
Ma'am,
arrange
was-
correctly? Go.
Yes,
Sit in your places. Claps.
It's correct, ma'am. 4,050.
Now, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
It is quiz time.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Don't make noise. If I say this number, you should know. If I say this number, you must know. You take your time, no hurry. Which group? First group, lift your hands. Second group, third group, fourth group. So, when I call out your group's name, you should reply. Read this number, fourth group.
Fourth group.
4,000.
5,460.
5460. Correct. Read this number, third group.
Hey, third group.
4,056.
Very good. Claps to both teams.
Yay.
Now, in this number, what is the face value of 6? The face value of 6.
How much? Huh?
6, I think so.
6
In this number, what is the
place
face value of 6?
Units, yeah,
Six.
units,
Six.
yeah.
Very good. Both gave the correct answers.
Yay.
Now, what is the face value of 4 in this number?
Now,
I didn't say which group yet.
ma'am, 100. 4.
4.
4. 4.
In this number, what is the place value of 4?
Hundreds, ma'am. Hundreds. 400, ma'am.
400.
400.
The place value of 4 in this? This team. Tell me.
4,000.
4,000.
Very good. Look here. The place value of 4 here is 400. Right? But
100. Correct.
why is this 400? Because it is in the hundreds place, right?
Yes.
Where is 4 in this number?
Thousands.
It is in thousands place. Therefore, the place value of 4 is 4000. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we do some more problems like this?
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Very good. For today, I will give you in your workbooks which problems are to be solved. I'll mark and give.
Yes, ma'am.
I will tell the leaders of your group and they will convey it to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I will mark the homework for you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And I will check yesterday's homework also. Now, everybody, take your notebooks. Let us see if you
Oh,
wrote
so yeah.
correctly.
Abacus.
Abacus.
Expansion form. The homework yesterday was expansion form. If anybody didn't understand, I will explain. Now, what are we learning now? Which lesson did we learn?
Place value.
Problems,
Maths, ma'am.
Addition.
numbers.
Maths, numbers.
What else?
Numbers.
Madam, where are
expansion,
you?
ma'am.
Where
Yes?
are you? You only have to answer.
Numbers. From 2-3 days, we are learning numbers. We are playing games. We are using TLMs. We did all that. Yes? Right? Now, do we use mathematics in our daily life?
Yes,
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
sit a little back? Where do we use it? In
the
shops?
shop,
Market,
market,
Market.
in malls,
mall.
and then where else?
In the
Where do we use maths?
In banks?
We use
In
at
the
home
bank,
also,
bank.
ma'am.
Home
Ma'am,
also,
bank.
school
In
we
hotels?
use, office.
Now, let us take you for
Ma'am,
example.
mostly everywhere.
Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, we saw. We know. What do you have in units with you? Who will say?
Ma'am, fingers.
Very good. Fingers that you have. These are in units. We don't have 100. If you put them together, 110.
8, 9, 10, ma'am.
Similarly, what about tens?
Can I have you?
In our body, where are the tens?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, legs.
If you put the fingers and toes together, we have 2 tens. What other example can you give?
Ma'am, teeth. Teeth.
Very good. Teeth. How many teeth do we have?
32.
32 teeth we have, right? So we have tens in our teeth also. What do we have in hundreds?
Ma'am,
Hair.
hairs.
Correct. We have thousands of hairs on our head. Bones. Thousands. Our hairs may be in tens of thousands. We may have more than 10,000, right? 1 lakh.
More than
Yes.
1 lakh.
Somebody who has a lot of hair, they might have. What is this? Do you know? This is a concept card. You have to read this, understand it, and answer my questions. Okay? When we ask word problems in the classroom, a lot of children commit mistakes because they wouldn't have understood properly. So, what are word problems? These are problems that we face in our everyday life. Okay? We have to learn and understand them. Who can read very fast? Who can read for me? Can you read very fast? Are you a quick reader? Okay, pass this around. Each group keep one concept card, okay? Now, she will read loudly, everybody listen.
Once Shankar got a piggy bank as a gift.
Good. Give it to her.
I
Yes.
don't know how to say.
Read it.
No, ma'am.
Will you read? No? Okay, you read.
In the piggy bank, he collected money. He wanted to gift a mobile phone for his father's birthday. But
The price of it,
it cost 2,500.
2,500. 2,499. Now, all of you put it aside. Now, I'll ask a question.
Keep it down.
Don't look at it. Now, about whom are we talking?
Shankar.
Shankara. What is the name of the boy?
Shankara.
Shankara. Could you hear? What did he get as a gift? Piggy bank.
Bank.
Piggy bank.
He got it as a gift. So what did he do?
He collected
Collected
money.
money.
What did he want to do?
To
He
gift
wanted
his
to
father
buy
phone.
his father a
Phone to
gift.
father.
Very good. Each one understood by listening to the other reading. Very good. Now, how much money does he have?
1,499.
That is the price. We don't know how many rupees he has. Its price is 2,499. In this, how many hundreds are there? How many thousands are there?
400.
2,000.
Two.
And how many hundreds?
1,000.
4 hundreds. How many units are there?
99.
How many tens?
9.
In counting money, when we count money, we use thousands, hundreds, tens, and units also. In our everyday life, we use all these things, right? Similarly, let us read it further and see. Who will read now? Will you read? Read it.
The piggy bank had 1,000 notes. 6 notes.
6 notes of 100.
6 of 100 notes were there. He had 63 1 rupee note. He had 269 coins.
269.
Shankar felt bad looking at 1,000 rupee note. He thought he did not have enough money.
Okay, very good. You read everything right? Did you understand the story? Shall I ask questions? At the end, how did he get 2,499? How did he get it? Tell me how.
His mother gave all the change required.
In the beginning, he didn't have so much, okay? Then, mother gave him all the change and then he could buy a gift for his father. Okay, did you understand? So, in this way, when you're solving word problems, you have to read it and then read it again. If you don't understand, what should you do?
Read again.
And then write down all the information given in one place. You can make pictures also. Only once you understand it completely, you should go ahead and solve the problem. Did you understand? So now it is time to solve the problems given in the textbook. Shall we do that?